Let's work on a couple of examples related to average and instantaneous rate of change. Let's start with average rate of change of f of x equals 2x2 plus x plus 1 when x is between -1 and 2. By definition, average rate of change of f of x when x is between -1 and 2 is f of 2 minus f of -1 divided by 2 minus -1. F of 2 is 2 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. And f of -1 is 2 times -1 to the power of 2, which is 2, minus 1 plus 1, which is 2. Therefore, the average rate of change would be 11 minus 2 divided by 3, which is 9 divided by 3, it is 3. What is the geometric interpretation of this number? Geometrically, slope of the line joining the two endpoints on the graph of f of x equals x2 plus x plus 1 is 3. The endpoints are -1 and 2 and 2 and 11. Next example. What does this quantity represent? Given y equals f of x. This quantity can be written as f of 3 minus f of -2 divided by 3 minus -2, which is average rate of change of f of x when x is between -2 and 3. So one more time, average rate of change of f of x, let's assume this is y equals f of x, is the slope of the line joining the endpoints of the interval. It refers to the rate of change of the function with respect to the variable over an interval. Let's find instantaneous rate of change of f of x equals square root of x plus 1 at x equals 3. IROC of f of x at x equals 3 is limit of f of x minus f of 3. f of 3 is square root of 3 plus 1, which is square root of 4, that is 2, divided by x minus 3 as x approaches 3. To find this limit, we rationalize the numerator of the fraction. Which means we times the fraction by the conjugate of numerator and divided by conjugate of the numerator. Therefore, instantaneous rate of change is limit of x plus 1 to the power of 2 minus 4, which is x minus 3, the fraction can be reduced. This is x minus 3 and x minus 3 crossed out. This limit is 1 over 4. So IROC of f of x when f of x is square root of x plus 1 at x equals 3 is 1 over 4. That means slope of tangent line to the graph of f of x equals square root of x plus 1 at x equals 3 is 1 over 4. Thank you.